Ligayang kakabsat. I'm going to bread the bread today. Ayan. Dun, 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 dun. This is called Vanochka. It's being served in the morning on the 24th. Ayan. Oh. That goes well. Shoop nahurudolo. Shoop nahurudolo. Dolo. Ayan. And then I'll just move this up down like this. And Daniel doesn't know that I'm taking a video of him talking there, cursing there, over there. Tak. Like this. And I'm going to insert some walnuts there. Where is the walnuts dear? Walnuts dear, walnuts. Just use this one. Yeah, and I'm going to put some walnuts in the center and let it rest for a while. And tak. Just have some walnuts. Oop. And I will wait until the bread it will rest before I'm going to bake it. Ayan. Ho ho, the mistletoe. Ayan. Mas gusto ko yung maliit na gawin kaysa isang malaki kasi para pag hinati ko siya, kainin ko yung buo. Ayan. Bigyan natin siya ng almond.